Hey guys, I need to attack my clone enemy.
That's impossible.
Well, not for me.
And cookies and donuts law.
What did you say, Orange?
He said cookie and donuts.
That's not a weapon.
Oh yeah.
Everybody get your weapons to wait before my clone comes.
I'm first strongest.
Ah, help me.
Green, stop joking. Tell Green to get his weapon.
Okay, Green, get your knife. Oh no, he's dead. Rip Green. Your clone was the killer.
Oh no, clone is ugly than original.
No, is not.
Oh yeah. Figure, fight first.
Okie dokie.
Belly hit. Say goodbye to the world. See you later.